Hello Internet, my name's Daryl and welcome to Off the Couch. I got a question for you. Are you a gardening freak? You know you are. Well, this video is for you. Today we're at the Parnell Rose Gardens. Now, I've lived in Auckland my whole life, never been here, heard a lot about the place. Also on the way here, I passed a news presenter, got a selfie with her. Amanda Gillies or Amanda Millies, I think it is. Really nice lady. Yeah, my brush with fame. Anyway, we're gonna go over there. If you're a tech nerd, we're filming in 2.7K at 60 frames a second. 60 frames a second, 60 frames a second. We're gonna go and get funky with the roses. Let's go and check it out, eh? That's not a rose, is it? I don't know anything about gardening. I just got to look at a plant and it dies. So I'll leave a link for this in the description for you guys to check out. My assumption is, just looking at this, they don't do just roses. They do all sorts. But it is called the Parnell Rose Gardens in Auckland. I know nothing about it. I just got to look at a plant and it goes, don't touch me, or else I'll die. And that's what happens. I look at plants and they die. So we've got a beach down here. Quickly go and have a look at that. I took a look on YouTube at another person's video last night, and apparently it's quite a pretty little beach. So if you guys are wondering, Parnell is about, I don't know, 5 minutes away from the city. It's a very affluent area. You need very deep pockets to live here. One of New Zealand's Prime Ministers actually lived in Parnell. That's how affluent it is. Wow, what a view. Every time I film something that involves water, I always get the tide out. What a view, eh? What a view. Right, enough of that. You guys are here for the flowers, right? Let's go and check those out. Isn't it? Looking a bit sad, man. Come on, pick it up. So I'm guessing it's a certain time of year thing, you know how it goes. Not too bad. Obviously when this is going off, it'll be really pretty in here. I can imagine if you're coming to New Zealand, this might be a good spot to tie the knot. Provided the flowers aren't half dead. Flowers. I was going to gate crash these guys. Yeah. Hello. Oh, I got someone playing violin. Let's go and check out the violinist. He's looking a bit better, aren't they? So obviously they have more than roses here. Yeah, I'm guessing it's just a time of year thing. I thought roses grew in summer, but there you go. Who knows? I don't want to go too close there. They're playing music. White roses, pink roses. All sorts of roses. So, this is a real attraction for Asian people. They like to come over here and check out the roses and the scenery in New Zealand. They absolutely love it. So I highly recommend you check that out if you're coming over here. Can I ask you guys, what are they called? What are they called? The instruments. What's their name? Yeah. What name? What's the name? What's the name of the instrument? Righto. You don't understand a word I'm saying. Okay. I tried. Sounds pretty cool though. Yeah, so obviously if, you know, the roses are all pruned and everything's looking pristine, then this is the place for you. Imagine being under here with your bride. You mean I'll kiss your bride? Photographer snap. You'd love it, wouldn't you? If you're getting hitched, you'd love it. You know you would. So we've had a lot of rain lately, particularly the other day we had quite heavy rain. So my guess, my uneducated gardening guess, is that it did a lot of damage to the roses. Is that a rose? That's a rose, isn't it? Isn't it? I'm sure that's a rose. Must be. So a very pretty place. Very great place for meditation, I would say. Looks a bit bare bones at the moment though, doesn't it? Check out up here. Lots of bit of maintenance. Now it's Friday, in case you guys are wondering. So we're not quite at the weekend yet. Oh, see? They got nice little nooks. Everywhere you look, there's a nook. Nook. Nice little hidden nooks so you can, you know, have a quick smooch. I ain't kissing you. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Oh, is that right? Hey. G'day. Oh, they look nice, don't they? Oh, very pretty, very pretty. You know, I've got to be honest, I actually like flowers. I've even considered starting a channel where you put some nice music in the background and you film some flowers, you know, that sort of thing. It'd be so easy to do. Yeah. I'm not camp, but I like flowers. I just think they're really pretty. You've even got another nook over here, if you're into that. Imagine it's your wedding day. Come in here, nice quick smooch. As a photographer, I can really appreciate the spots around here to take some photos. It's just limitless. Hey, if you guys are enjoying my content and you're getting value out of it, please consider buying me a coffee to support me, and the link in the description. That would be awesome. Thank you very much. You got orange roses. How many different coloured roses are there? If you know, tell me in the comments. I know that there's obviously, what's this? Orange, apricot, perhaps pink. I know there's white roses. I know there's red roses, obviously. Purple roses even. I also know apparently there is a black rose, which is quite rare. Maybe it's not rare, I don't know. I've heard it is, but if it's not, you tell me. See, a lot of the flowers don't look that great, but then you look at ones like this and you think, oh man, that's really pretty. Ones like this pink rose here. It's really nice, isn't it? And then you come over here. I know these aren't roses. I know my gardening skills aren't that bad. And you look at them and think, man, they just look really vibrant and pretty and really nice. So what's your favourite colour rose? Do you have a coloured rose? Hey, I don't know anything about gardening, I really don't. I'm getting a haircut tomorrow, hopefully. Just so I can look better for you guys. No, the honest truth is it's summer and it's horrible. So the colours I can see are pink, red, yellow. That's some sort of pink. So an orange perhaps. The yellow ones are quite nice. And quite nice. The other thing too that's really nice about this place is the smell. It just smells so nice and fresh, and yeah, it smells like roses. Wow, there's a lot of people here now. Hiya. What is he wearing on his head? Here we go. You want to get funky with the roses? Come and visit Parnell Rose Gardens. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to check it out. It goes into far more detail than what I even know. There's also some baths that you can bathe in, pools or something like that. I don't know where they are. You got to pay for them, and I'm a tightwad, so I'm not doing that today. And come and check it out, and feel free to buy me a coffee as well if you'd like to support the channel. I'll leave a link for that in the description. And see you guys in the next one. Thanks very much. Bye.